Soyez les bienvenus, mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Now we have the verb travailler. Travailler is to work. Now we should learn French through daily home life. We need to discover also everyday verbs like travailler and nettoyer. Simple but very useful. She works on an important project. We all work together, okay? They clean the kitchen together, okay? Talk about teamwork, routines, and daily life in French. These are very simple but practical. If you want to know them, let's go. So, activité quotidienne à la maison. Activité. It's just the same in English, activity, but it's Y, okay? Activité quotidienne. Femina po kasi yan. Quotidienne à la maison. Pag masculine, quotidien. Pag femina, quotidienne à la maison. Okay? To discover the verbs in French. Let's go. Now we have la femme travaille sur un projet. I will repeat. La femme travaille sur un projet. La femme is a woman. The woman. Travaille is the word travailler, verb. So, un projet is a project, but we don't pronounce the T. Okay? Donc, la femme travaille sur un projet important à la maison. The woman is working on an important project at home. À la maison is at home. Elle est concentrée et organise ses idées avec soin. Elle est concentrée. She is focused. Focus is concentrate. Concentrate or focus, okay? Concentrée. And organize. Organize is organizing her ideas carefully. Idées are ideas, okay? Carefully, avec soin, carefully. Get it pas? Donc, la femme travaille sur un projet important à la maison. Be careful with your pronunciation, hein? Elle est concentrée et organise ses idées avec soin. Le verbe travailler, ok, work to work. Elle écrit dans son cahier, ok. She writes in her notebook. She écrit is to write dans son cahier, in her cahier. Cahier is notebook. We don't pronounce the H. Cahier. Okay? Elle organise ses pensées. She organizes her thoughts. Okay? Ses pensées, her thoughts. Okay? So I will repeat. La femme travaille sur un projet important à la maison. Elle est concentrée et organise ses idées avec soin. Verbe travailler is to work et elle écrit dans son cahier. Elle écrit, she writes on her notebook. Okay? Écrire, the verb écrire. Et elle organise ses pensées. Hindi po siya pense, no? Elle organise ses pensées. S-O-S is ses pensées. Her thoughts. She organizes her thoughts. Okay? So, verb travailler et verb organiser et verb écrire. I hope you get them all. Merci. In cleaning, sometimes we are alone or sometimes we are with someone helping us to do the cleaning or the tidying up, okay? So, ensemble. Ensemble is together. Ils nettoient nettoie. Hindi po siya nettoyant, no? Il nettoie la cuisine avant de se reposer. Okay, I will repeat. Ensemble, ils nettoient la cuisine avant de se reposer. Okay. Together, they clean the kitchen before resting. Okay? Bago sila magpahinga. Okay. Either travail d'équipe, yan po yung travail d'équipe, together, teamwork. Okay? Teamwork, travail d'équipe. O entraide quotidienne, or our daily helping. We help each other in our everyday. And moment de partage. Moment de partage. Ibig sabihin, sharing time is the time of sharing. Okay? Helping and sharing or participating. Okay pa? So, it's better. Four hands is better than two hands. Okay? Or two heads is better than one head. Okay? So ganun lang po yun. So, we need someone to help us. It's more, si Pluvit. Pluvit, mas mabilis. Okay? Mas madali, mas mabilis, at less yung pagod. Okay. So, ensemble, ils nettoient la cuisine avant de se reposer. Travail d'équipe, entraide quotidienne, et moment de partage. Travail d'équipe is teamwork. I hope ka-teamwork ko po kayo sa ating Learn French with Lourdes para po tayong lahat ay matuto. At ito po ang ating sharing time to learn o apprendre lalong Frances. At sana po ay huwag kalimutan din pong mag-like, subscribe, at i-comment for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et à bientôt ou peut-être à demain. Ciao, ciao.